Alright, so here's 4 more figures I got in. I hated the video I took of me opening the mail, and I'm sure no one's going to miss it. The guy in red there is a Crackerjack surprise Spaceman. Late 50s, maybe into the early 1960s, I'm not sure. There is something of a mark there on his leg. And we'll go to the Toy Soldier HQ website to try to learn a little bit more about him if possible. Next to him is a Marx Arctic exploration figure. There's a name for the set. I can't remember it right now. International Year Observation Post or whatever. And I like how he's got a Savage Model 99 strapped on his back. That's the same rifle the Mad Trapper used. Whoa! And on his on the bottom of his base, he's got a very nice Marx Toys logo there. Maybe you can sort of read what it says. It's like 11 degrees outside right now, so there's something prescient about obtaining him, and I like that Igloo set. I definitely want to land the Marx Arctic set. Next to him are 2 figures. They may be by Lido. I'm not sure. They're definitely based on Lido figure designs, but they're made out of this flexible vinyl rubber thing. I've even got an example of this dude here in a hard plastic. His weapon is broken up, so it's nice to see it intact for a change. And indeed, they're both armed with very dangerous looking blunt force trauma weapons. I don't know how correct that would be today. I'm going to take a look at the back of them here without knocking them over. Very, very well sculpted. They're awesome. Glad to have them in my collection. Let's turn the other guy around. Hopefully he won't go falling over. And they came with this thing here, which reminded me of the flying Flapjack experimental vehicle that the Navy put some money to at one point and decided not to go through with. The purple devices there are interesting. It's got a made in Hong Kong stamp there and some nomenclature on that side. It's missing a lot of stuff. There's some peg holes there, a couple other peg holes back there. I think that's another one. So it's missing components that would be on top of it, and its cockpit is destroyed. Some kid probably had to pull the Spaceman out of there, just like I did when I was a kid. For the amount of money I paid for it, it can be whatever it is, and it's something that can be worked with, altered, whatever. Like I said, it came with the Spacemen. I wanted them, and I'm like, you know what? Okay, that thing's kind of cool too. So, some nice pieces there for a frigid, cold December afternoon in central New York, when nothing's more reassuring than opening some old space toys. All right.